Here I've got KRUGER MATZ Move 8 Mini, and let me show you how to activate and use Portable Hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings, then find and select the first tab, which is Network and Internet, and then go to Hotspot and Tethering. Now simply by going to Wi-Fi Hotspot, you can activate your Portable Hotspot just by tapping on this switcher. And that's it. From now on your Portable Hotspot is active, and you can share network with other devices with your friends. Then if you'd like to personalize your network name and also the password, just click on Set Up Wi-Fi Hotspot, and here you can smoothly change the network name, delete the current one and enter a new one. Hard reset, and then you can do the same thing with the password. Just click on Show Password to see what your current password is, and then you can enter a new one, whichever you want. Just remember that the password must have at least 8 characters. Once it is done, click on Save. Give your device a short while to upload the changes, and that's it. You've just changed the network name and also the password, so now it's visible as a new one, like as this Move 8 hard reset with the new password. And then if you'd like to switch off Portable Hotspot, simply tap on the same switcher as in the beginning. Also, you can locate Portable Hotspot in the upper bar. Simply slide it down and then locate Portable Hotspot icon. Click on it to activate it. And right now it's active. Then if you'd like to switch it off, simply click on the same icon one more time, and now it's deactivated. So this is the shortest method of activating Hotspot then. And that would be all. So you can activate, personalize and deactivate Portable Hotspot in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.